All right, everybody, welcome back to What Do You Know? Determine the enthalpy of vaporization. Okay, so we're looking for the enthalpy, the heat of vaporization, everybody. And they actually give us the units, which is going to be kilojoules per mole. So that's the units we got to look for. All right, so that's a huge hint there, right? You have the units. What can we use to get me to kilojoules on the top, moles on the bottom? Now, the compound is C6H14. Okay, that's the compound we're looking at here. And it says if 14.5 kilojoules of heat. So this is a big gimme right here. Let me write down what I have, right? It says that I have 14.5 kilojoules. That's what we got going on. So Dr. J, what are we going to have to do here? So we're going to look at this as a ratio, right? We're just going to take the amount that's needed and then we're going to divide that by how much we actually have to give us the enthalpy of vaporization. So simply put, we're going to take that 14.5 kilojoules and what? Divide by point, look at this, man, 0.5 moles of my C6H14. I'll write it right here. C6H14. There we go. What do we do from here? Well, guess what we have? Like I said, everybody, units is key. Kilojoules per mole. That looks like my final units for my final answer. So essentially, I'm just going to do 14.5 divided by 0.5. And what's that going to give me? So 14.5 kilojoules divided by 0.5 moles is going to give me 29 kilojoules per mole. Okay, so you got that one right. Congratulations. If you didn't, no big deal, right? Go ahead and practice. Keep it up. Now you know what to do, right, for that test exam or whatever you got to do